Okay, let's look at example 1 here. Figure shows the variation of voltage with time for sinusoidal AC current. Determine the frequency, the angular velocity, and write the expression for the graph. Okay, so we are given the graph of voltage against time. Okay, before we can find all of this stuff that we need to find, let's see what is the information that we can get from the graph here. Okay, first thing that is so obvious, we can get the value for the peak voltage. So 15 is the peak voltage, 15 volt. And then since we are given the value of time here, 20 seconds, we can get the value for period. Okay, so we know that period is one complete cycle. So from here we are given 2 complete cycle. So meaning that we have 2t equal to 20 seconds. So period will be 10 seconds. So dekat sini 10 seconds. Okay, let's find what is the frequency. Okay, frequency is equal to 1 over t. So period kita sudah ada. You will get 0.1 Hz. And then soalan B, we want to determine what is the angular velocity. We want to find what is omega. So omega is equal to 2 pi f ataupun 2 pi over t. Okay, dua-dua value ni kita ada sudah. So either one you can use it. So let's use the frequency. And then you will get it is 0.2 pi radian per second. And then last one, we need to write the expression for the graph. Okay, so since graph kita adalah voltage against time, okay, first thing we need to do, kita tulis dulu the general expression where we have V is equal to V naught sin omega t. Okay, so from here, kita punya graph starts with 0. So we can use this expression. And then what is the thing that we need to substitute into this expression? First is the peak voltage. Second is the omega. So the rest you just leave it as it is. So V naught kita sudah ada 15. And then sin just tulis. Omega we already calculated it, 0.2 pi. And then T just tulis T saja. So this will be the expression that represent this graph here. Now let's look at example 2. An AC current is represented by an equation I is equal to 6 sin 150 pi t, where t is time measured in second. Find the value of current after t is equal to 1 over 800 seconds, and the time at which the current reaches a value of 4 ampere. So there are two things that we need to do here. First, we want to find what is the current after t is equal to 1 over 800 seconds. And then what is the time when current reaches 4 ampere. So this one, actually you just need to substitute into the original equation. So this one is very straightforward. I is equal to 6 sin 150 pi, and then substitute the value for t. So you will get I will be equal to 3.33 ampere. And this one, since kita menggunakan sin, right? So your calculator must be in radian mode. And the next one, we want to find what is T when I is equal to 4 ampere. So kita masukkan I dekat sini, 4 ampere. 6 sin 150 pi t. So we want to find this t. And then you will get t will be equal to 1 155 exponent negative 3 second, or you can leave your answer 155 millisecond. Okay, don't forget your calculator, since kita gunakan sine, your calculator must be in radian mode.